Howdy folks, I'm Big Mike from Inconsoft, and today I want to show you a quick sneak preview of one of the coolest applications we've ever developed called Niche Mania. Now the purpose of this application is to simplify niche research, find non-competitive niches, research and develop content, and then of course publish it to our WordPress blog if we have one. I'm going to take you to my first project, Cat Health, which I've already set up. And as you can see, looking at the keyword analysis, I get all this information right out of my Google AdWords account. You don't actually need a Google AdWords account to get this information, but it makes things a little bit simpler. I've got long tail keyword ideas, and I'm also checking the top 10 sites to see what kind of keywords they're using to give me additional ideas. Anywhere in here I can double click any keyword and drill down and get a new list based on whatever keyword I've clicked. And I can do that on all three tabs. I also have some search options. I can set up different sources to search and the kind of match types that I'm looking for. Next we have a competition analysis. This might look a little bit familiar to some of you that have used one of our competitors' programs. And this basically tells us how competitive that niche already is, so that maybe we want to go back and make some adjustments to something a little less competitive. Once we found our niche, we need to find a domain for it. So we can come over here. This one is about cat health. Here are a whole bunch of domain possibilities we put together from the keywords. We can look for different extensions. We can decide whether or not we want to use hyphens and how many words we want to use in the domain name. And then we could check the availability. As you can see, the better domain names obviously are well taken. But here we go, catsandhealth.com. That's not too bad. Let's go down a little bit further. What else is available? felinehealthissues.com. That might not be a bad one. If you click the buy button, this will take you over to Namecheap where you can buy it at a reasonably good price. Now we need to find some content. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to change this. I just want to find something that has cat in it. Let's see if we have any articles. Actually we do. Let me take a quick look through this. Probably found something in allergies. We uploaded about 25,000 PLR articles so that the users of this program have a nice source to draw from. Okay, and we also have a way for you to go out and search various resources to find other things. For example, a good place to go is Wikipedia. Okay. Let me click this and go into Wikipedia. Here's a whole section on cat health. We can't see everything because I've made the screen smaller so that it'll fit in the video. But basically, all we need to do when we find something we want is highlight it, right-click it, and then say copy to content. And here you go, the content is right here. We can give it a title. And then we could save that, and here it is over in our content. Now, if we want to publish this to our blog, we can come over here and go to the spinner. We can click that. And if you're familiar with spinners, you can see what I'm doing. I'm replacing this. Tiers. That's not exactly what I want to use, so I'm going to skip that one. And caused by, let's take something there. Boom. Now, if I have a blog already set up in Niche Mania, I can click the Publish button. I can select the blog. I can assign it a category, for example, cat health, because I want to tag it too. And then I could say Publish, and this will actually go out and publish it right to the blog I selected. Now, let me go back to web content. I can do this on any of these resources. Let's go to Tools. And this is where we actually set up our domains. Over here it's a little bit cut off, but that's okay. And I have a test domain set up with a blog on it. If I want to, I can look at my SEO score. I can go load up that blog, look for the various articles that are in there, and let me select that one, and that'll put it over here in this list. I can go finish, and now I can look at my SEO score for that article based on these keywords. And it tells me, for example, this is a good keyword density. It tells me that the keyword appears in the title, and everything here is pretty good. I can also go back if I want to and quickly edit that article, although I can't remember which one I selected, and I can make some changes to it to try to improve its overall SEO score. Now, if during my research I come across some ideas for new keywords, I can also select some or all of my posts that I have, and I can say, gee, I want to use this keyword. Greens, salad, health. And I can come over here and it will go ahead and assign those categories to this article. Now if I wanted to, I could select all my articles, and as soon as I click finish, it's actually going to go out to the blog and add this category to all of these posts. Pretty sweet, isn't it? Okay, as you can see, the progress bar is moving right along, and it'll be done in just a second. Okay, the mass update is completed, and we're all set. I can go work on another blog. And that really is pretty much it. We've built this in the Windows Metro style for Windows 8, but this will work on Windows XP. It will work on Windows Vista and Windows 7. And you can use this with a 32 or 64-bit computer. We've been using this for a while. We've been doing some extensive testing, and it's a great way to manage your niche-based blogs all from one tool. We'll let you know when it's done, and we hope that you find it as useful as we do. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.